everybody, and let's see how to use Gemini CLI. And let's go and create a new folder. Let's call it Game 01, and let's go inside here, up here in the address bar. Let's do cmd, and then Gemini will take some time, and then Gemini will appear right here. Let's take it so that we can see both of them. I'm gonna make it this folder a little bigger. Now there we are. Okay, now let's do, and let's tell him to create. Let's make it a little bigger so you can see, because my monitor is a little too big. So create a main .py file. Okay, let's press enter, and should see something here after the authorization, maybe. Let's say hello always. There it is, and there is nothing inside of this. I'm using Sublime Text to look inside this file, and so I want to take Sublime Text right here and this file right here. Now write code to create an empty window with Pygame. So we're going to use Python, of course, and the Pygame library. And you see here that I think we should see it also here. There it goes. So we see import Pygame. We just see here what's inside of the window. So the Pygame init, the script width, height. So this line creates the screen with the main surface that is 800 for 600 pixel. Here we got the name of the window, and here we have the loop, the main loop for the cycle to make everything run into Windows and stay active. So it will just fill the screen with the black color 000, and it will update the screen. And this code here is to quit the window safely. So let's run this. Here is our empty window. We can close it, and everything is fine. So now we are going to put a red square in the middle. Make the user move the square with arrow keys, left and right. Add gravity. Use up to jump. Okay, now Gemini is creating the code to move a square on the screen. So we will draw a square first of all. That is the pair Y, play white, play height. So it draws this rectangle, as you can see here. He put also a Pygame.time.clock.tick down here. It could have been created a clock object, but I've done this way. It's the same. It should work. The gravity is here, and there should be a way to implement the gravity to